smaller plants or any
Yes.
type of plants?
I think actually this item is actually a decoration.
Okay, it's for
not
decoration.
Not to manufacture.
Okay.
Only put soil here and put seeds here or
And then
put
put
your
some water.
flowers here.
Okay.
And this is a decoration.
Okay.
Just a decoration. Like can
Okay.
DIY. What you
Oh.
want.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many colors?
Seven.
7 colors,
Yeah,
okay.
7 colors.
Okay.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
And then this type is a different type.
Yeah, it's different. This is a remote control.
Oh, it's a
Yeah,
remote control.
Yeah, can stick here.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So does it tell you when to water?
No, have this function. Yeah,
Okay,
just
okay.
light and choose plant function.
Okay.
You can see this picture is a flower. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a vegetable.
Yes.
Yeah, if you put your own vegetables here,
Okay.
just choose this function.
Okay.
And if you put your flowers here, choose this function.
Okay.
Different light color.
Okay.
Yes,
So
diff-
flowers is different. Vegetable is also different.
Yes.
And what's this
This is
for to tell the days?
Days, yes, tell
Oh.
the days. How many?
How many days you start planting?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
So it has so many functions. You first said it does not have so many functions.
I must take a picture with you.
Sure.
Later, we will.
So this, what does this also do?
It's the same.
Same function,
Yeah, it's the
okay,
same
okay.
function, yes.
The same
Yes,
here too.
just
Okay,
different flowers.
okay.
Yes.
That's amazing. Wow, this is beautiful. And here
It's a
is also the same.
hydroponic plant.
Hydroponic plant. Hydro.
Yeah, hydroponic.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
So
very
no need
cool.
for
No
soil.
Need soil.
Wow.
Yeah, no need
No need for soil. Just
Yes. Just use
put
this
it in water.
Just use these materials. This sponge.
Okay.
Yeah. Put this in sponge and then put
Put it
in.
inside.
Yes, yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Okay.
It's
So
very clean.
usually, what's the MOQ for these machines?
According factory standard,
Yeah.
MLQ is about 100 pieces.
100 pieces,
for each
okay.
item.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But you're gonna give us a discount, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for instance,
This is
This-
water level.
yeah,
You
so-
can see how much water
It's
in
inside.
the tank. Yes.
and you can control from here,
Yeah,
right?
control from here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it will
Fan
cool
water,
automatically,
vegetables,
yes.
flower, and
Yes.
fruits.
Okay.
The people they worry them. Let's deal with them first. She be your person, so